How to use Google Lens. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google on your device. In the search bar, you'll find the camera-like icon. Simply click on it. After you click on it, you can open camera and take a picture of anything and it will show you. Or you can click on the picture icon at the bottom left. Click on the picture you want to search and it will show you exact matches of the picture. And you also find all the information that you want. You can also translate the documents. You can add documents and translate it from here as well. And this is how to basically use Google Lens. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.